Hey, Michael, it's always so good to be here with you. I am super excited that you have invited me and three other amazing ladies in real estate to speak at your event on Sunday, April 16th. My question to you, since we didn't get to talk about this much, I said yes. I'm always willing to come in and show up for Q&A for our viewers and answer people's questions. But what exactly is this going to look like?
Yeah. So, as you know, I took a month off to kind of just check things, right? I was off in Southeast Asia. And one of the things that I came back with, Anna, is I want to take the amazing Rolodex of experts like yourself and the growing one rental at a time community, which I feel very passionate about because they're doing the work, they're not afraid. And I want to try to find a way to merge them.
Yes.
So the first event I'm doing is the Legends of Real Estate Investing, which you're a part of, with April Crosley, Casey, and Alicia Merriman from Huntsville. The reason this one's important to me because I think females are underrepresented in real estate investing.
Yes,
And
for sure.
when I look at my channel, my numbers say the same things. It's 84% men, 16% female. It is what it
We
is.
need to change that.
Yeah, exactly. We need to change that. Um, and I don't think real estate investing is a male, female. It's not weightlifting. It's not, you know, it's,
Right.
so there is no good or bad. So I wanted the first one to be led by the ladies. Um, and you all have different stories. And I also will never do a PowerPoint presentation the rest of my life. That's my goal
Yeah.
anyway. So it's just going to be Q&A.
Love it.
We're
I
going to have a
love
hundred.
that.
We're going to have 100 people asking you questions, and I'm just going to moderate. And yeah, I mean, just think about that. All the one, there'll be 100 of them to be able to ask you questions for an hour, or April Crosley, who I believe you know as well, and then two other
Absolutely.
legends.
Yeah.
So
And Alicia, I don't know KC, but the three of us, we have coaching programs. We charge for consulting. So this is an opportunity for you listeners to come in, pick our brains, get, your questions answered. And it could be worth a lot to you to learn from our wisdom. So I'm
yeah,
excited about it. I love helping other people. I love live Q&A, totally game. And I'm so excited that you're starting out with the women. I will say
absolutely.
this, and I'm not an extreme women's lib person, right? Like, I don't want to do the things that my husband does, sports wise and things like that. But there's actually statistics that show that women make better and more profitable decisions when it comes to corporate profits and real estate profits. And so I
I
have
agree.
lots and lots of men that I love and are doing really well, and many that I look up to too. But women just think about things very differently. We're charged with multitasking and figuring out a lot of things, and so we're less like vanilla. Like, here's the problem, here's the solution. We're more think outside of the box, get creative. How can I, juggle all these things and still make it come out? And so we just think differently. And so I think it's really exciting. They're going to have women come on that can say, how did we navigate, the last recession? How are we navigating
Yes.
things now? How are we thinking outside of the box? Because it may be very different and complementary to what you guys are thinking and how you're navigating things. So I love, love, love that you're having us on Sunday,
Yeah.
and I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, and just to talk about Casey a little bit, she's now one of my Monday experts. She's agreed to come back every week. Her story is very unique. She's a stay-at-home mom of three kids, buying in a market she never, she lives in now, but she didn't know anyone, Memphis. So again, all amazing stories, all legends in my book. And again, ask how you got started. What are you doing now? Just these. I am not controlling the topics, right? I will filter. I'll try to tie them together, but we're gonna have up to 100 people asking you questions, and I know you'll answer any and all of them. So that's what I'm trying to do.
Absolutely. I'm excited. I love it. I absolutely love what you're doing, and it's my honor to be your guest every week and super excited about this event.
And I'm just, again, we've been talking for years. We could talk about your best financial decision, which was that house hack fourplex, right? It saved you.
Yes.
We can talk about the stressful times of that first real recession. We can talk about retiring early. We can talk about
Yes.
broadening from, small to bigger in syndications, beachfront Airbnb.
Yeah.
There's just so many, and then helping your son get started. I mean, there's so many things that people can come to ask you. So it'll be very interesting to see where people take the conversation.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I really am. I love seeing all the comments, by the way, from all of you viewers and listeners and all your encouragement and seeing what kind of questions you have. So come and show up, and I'm an open book and super happy to help you.
Awesome. And one more time, where can people check you out? Because you do a lot of amazing things.
Thank you. You can find me on social media, Anna Kelly, REI Mom, here every Wednesday. And my website for coaching and consulting is reimom.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.